Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress on mobile. The official WordPress mobile application provides a convenient way to manage your website from anywhere. Available for both iOS and Android, it allows you to create and edit posts, moderate comments, and view your site's statistics directly from your smartphone or tablet. This powerful tool brings the full functionality of WordPress to your fingertips, ensuring you can keep your site updated and engaging even when you're away from your desktop computer. Creating and editing content on the WordPress mobile app is incredibly straightforward. You can draft new posts and pages using the intuitive editor, which supports rich text formatting. Adding media is simple. Upload images and videos directly from your device's gallery with just a few taps. Whether you need to publish immediately or schedule content for a later date, the app gives you complete control over your publishing workflow, making content management efficient and flexible. Beyond content creation, the WordPress mobile app excels at managing comments and providing valuable site analytics. You can easily approve, reply to, or delete comments, keeping your community engaged and moderated. The statistics section offers a comprehensive overview of your site's performance, allowing you to track views, unique visitors, and identify your most popular content in real time. This immediate access to data helps you understand your audience and refine your content strategy effectively. The mobile app also provides access to essential customization and settings. You can adjust various site settings, such as privacy options and social media sharing configurations, directly from your device. For users managing multiple WordPress sites, the app allows seamless switching between them, offering a unified management experience. Additionally, you can access many Jetpack features, enhancing your site's security, performance, and overall functionality, all from the convenience of your mobile device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.